Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If there's one thing I've learned after years of trying to grow online, it's that traffic is everything. You can have the best product, the slickest funnel, or amazing content, but without consistent visitors, nothing really moves. And honestly, getting traffic used to feel like an impossible battle for me. Paid ads are expensive, organic reach keeps shrinking, and posting content non-stop is exhausting. That's why I was really intrigued when I discovered Vibe Traffic. Vibe Traffic is a 3-day live challenge that teaches you how to build AI-powered traffic apps using something called Vibe coding. The idea is simple but powerful. Instead of constantly chasing clicks, you create tools that attract people to you. Even if you've never coded a day in your life, the system walks you through creating AI chatbots, quizzes, and other micro apps that generate leads and traffic around the clock. During the training, you learn the fundamentals of AI, how to structure traffic-generating apps, and even strategies for monetizing them. People are using these tools to earn commissions, offer services to clients, and automate traffic in ways that once felt impossible without expensive software or technical skills. Imagine setting up a simple AI tool, having it live online, and generating leads or sales while you focus on other things. If you've struggled with inconsistent traffic or want a smarter, automated approach, Vibe Traffic is definitely worth exploring. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next video.